where we can find the best biryani in Hyderabad. In my previous video, I tried for the first time the biryani in Hyderabad, but many of you, they told me in the comment that there are many other options which is more delicious and more different taste. So now in this video, I'm gonna try for a whole day trying the Hyderabadi biryani only. For breakfast, for dinner and for the lunch, only biryani.
Hold it, some rice, and take it.
Another round. Sauce, I can feel the gravy sauce more on it. Let's give it a try. Now we upgraded. Have many suggestions in the comment section. Let's see what people they advise about the best biryani in Hyderabad. Best Hyderabadi biryani is served at Biryani Restaurant. Thai Pista House, okay, it's very good in taste. Let's go. Hello, brother. So guys, after we arrived here to Paradise, the famous Paradise, the world's favorite biryani, but it's closed for maintenance. So we'll go to another branch. They're saying it's the same taste. Let's go. Many people coming and asking. Unfortunately, everyone, they are waiting to eat biryani, but it's closed. Look at this, for maintenance, only for one day, they said. Many people looking for biryani, but no biryani, guys. Now we'll be going to the next branch. Maybe for a good thing it didn't happen. Let's see the other one. As per the people, they advise us to visit this branch, which is just 10 minutes from the famous one, and they said it's the same taste. Let's see. Seems crowded here. Let's see. This is their menu. It's a huge actually. How many options actually? I'm saying it's up. And they have an elevator as well. Ah, it's crowded. So this is the year they opened the Paradise Restaurant that time, and this is now. It's fully crowded, all these people waiting as well. Wow. Other one is closed. I expected this one it would be so crowded. So now let's see, is it really worth it or no? We'll be waiting. He said we have to wait for some time. Let's wait. The waiting area, guys, so you can have a seat in the sofa. We're sitting with a nice view as well. See the view? You can see Hyderabad from this view. We found a place, but in this video, whatever I will give my opinion about any restaurant, it's my opinion. So don't you think like, no, that restaurant is much better and the other one. You're gonna eat biryani for lunch, biryani for dinner, biryani for breakfast, biryani for snacks, for anything. Only biryani day. So Paradise Restaurant having good reviews, bad reviews. Nowadays, recent bad reviews, but before they're saying it's the best. So you're gonna see is it really true or no? And I think we'll enjoy because there are many people are enjoying here. It's totally full. And we waited even to have some seat here. Imagine. It's totally crowded. So this is the menu. Look how it looks like.
यहाँ पर best biryani कौन सा है? बिरयानी हम लोग chicken. Are you ready?
He said the chicken one. Chicken sandwich.
I was expecting for the meat.
Even me, I was expecting the lamb because they are saying in the comment many people lamb is the famous in Hyderabad.
Why I look so black? I think this is a shadow. Don't worry, I'm not that black.
Reflection.
Reflection. Many people are thinking they are curious. I don't know why they are super curious to know my name. I will never say my name. No, I will say my name is Hani Khan. So now don't say like I'm from Pakistan or something. I'm 100% Indian.
Spicy, but perfect. Really perfect. Cooked very well. Chicken cooked very well with the rice. Chicken, it tastes so good as well. It's mixed. The rice here of biryani, it's basmati rice, which is long rice. It tastes so good. Not spicy. So for me, for the first time, I'm gonna try to eat biryani with my hands. Let's see.
Ding 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 ding. Just put it like this and like this and then like this and then.
It's really hard. So I think.
Well, to the center. Oh, not like that.
Oh.
You have to hold it a little bit with your fingers and then take it and then eat.
I have to eat with the right hand. I don't eat with the left hand.
Yeah, right hand. Hold it, some rice, and take it.
It's too hard.
So delicious. Ding 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 ding. The taste change? It's delicious. It's more it's more delicious. Lina Lee.
It's just a struggle. I cannot actually. It's very professional people how they eat with their hands. Me, I never eat rice with the hands. I usually eat like a sauce or something with the bread with my hands, but rice never been. So Indian here, it's normal for them because since they born, they eat with their hands. That's why they are professional. They know how to eat properly. For me now, I will just eat with a spoon for now. So this is, guys, the first option we had. We tried cheddar. Now we tried paradise. My husband always attracts the kids. They feel happy when they see you. So that means you have good vibes. This is Shah Rukh Khan. Honey, this Shah Rukh Khan was here?
No, Hani Khan was here.
This is the
Over,
one.
bhaiya. Order pattern order.
What's the number?
It's yeah.
This one.
4-1.
Now guys, we are going to the next destination. Let's see which is better. Bawarchi restaurant. So as you can see, this is the only restaurant. Actually, don't trust any other branch. They say we belong to Bawarchi. This is the only one. So this is how it looks like. And even it's mentioned outside. This is the only restaurant. All the other branches, many good reviews I hear about it, and it tastes so good. They said. Let's see. I want to show you something. Be aware of fake Bawarchi. So this is the one since 1994. And it looks huge actually. So let's go. Aya?
Yeah.
Ready to eat again?
They have lots of awards and things, so we can take
Wow.
recording.
Guys, look how many awards they got it. So as you can see, the restaurant, it's full as well, this one. Food again.
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 Round two.
Round two. So this is the Bawarchi biryani, guys. This is the only branch she's saying. Our biryani is here. Wow. So here they provide the sauce. They provide as well this. This is yogurt. They provide it. And as you can see, okay. I will start eating. Next to me, as you can see, people are eating here, happy. Everywhere people are enjoying their food, waiting. Let's give it a try. Another round. I'll be so fat here, I think. Because of this biryani, I'll become huge.
Spicy.
No spicy.
Spicy? Well, your face is getting red.
Spicy. Guys, spicy and delicious. Wow.
ఇప్పుడైతే వద్దు
Okay.
ట్రై చేసి
I'll try now.
తరగో
I'll try now with the chicken. Let's see how with the chicken how it tastes like. Let's see. Chicken is really amazing taste.
స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం
I like the taste of the chicken on the rice. Wow. The rice by itself is of course spicy, guys. Mostly people here they eat
ఎలా కావాలో
spicy.
అలాగే ఉంది
Tastes really good.
ట్రై చేసి
I'll tell you the difference between paradise and this.
ఇష్టమో
This is more wet with the sauce. I can feel the gravy sauce more on it.
గ్రేవీ అన్న
The paradise, it was little dry. And the taste it was there as well in paradise actually. To be honest, I like the paradise.
ఇంకా మసాలా కావాలంటే చెప్పండి ఇంకా మొత్తం
Not much difference. Not much difference to be honest. What's your name?
Kumar
Irish Kumar.
from Hyderabad.
From Hyderabad here. Originally from here.
Born here. Say idhare am madam చెప్పండి ఇక్కడనే ఇల్లు తీసుకొని ఇక్కడనే ఉంటున్నాను.
he bought a home and he's living finished he settled here
You like it here, Hyderabad? Nice? Beautiful?
finished he's happy
20 years.
20 years
20 years. Oh, mashallah. People are so good here and friendly, guys. You know, they are so like
It's not that spicy.
so good for fast service. People are so welcoming. Service here, as in terms of management, I see the staff are really good here and doing really very good work. Like welcoming, so happy, good vibes, and so that's how you feel enjoying more the food. My real opinion, this Bavarachi in Paradise almost same taste.
Really?
And you?
Baba tea.
You feel Bawarchi better? Me, I feel it's almost the same taste. The only thing is added here, which is more wet, like there is more sauce,
More
like
sauce, more
more
gravy.
sauce. So this is the only difference. But as a taste, the same powders inside, everything is the same. But this one, some people they don't prefer to eat dry. This is not dry. Earlier our rice was a little dry. This is not dry. Good. You don't compare between both. Who did this like me? Eat whole day biryani. Breakfast, dinner, lunch. Biryani for whole day. Woo. I think after this we have to stop biryani for 1 month minimum.
For me, no. Impossible.
my husband, he cannot stop biryani. Huh?
Biryani, I can eat all my life.
Every
Biryani,
day,
biryani,
every day he eat biryani. Every day he eat biryani. He loves biryani. He's pro actually, you know from where he can eat. The other difference between Paradise biryani and this is chicken more bigger.
Yeah.
Paradise
Even the
chicken
rice-
more smaller.
Even the rice is a lot.
No, same. Quantity is same. Quantity is the same because we have takeaway. So the quantity as a term or chicken and how much they keep big on this. If someone like to eat too much chicken, shut up. The day we ate and this bawarchi, they give really good quantity of chicken. But Paradise, they didn't provide good quantity. They provided so less, like small pieces of chicken for both of us. That's the only difference. Honest review, the service here is perfect. The service, it's always matter. So sometimes when you go to somewhere where it's so nice, the food, but you see the management and the service not good, like slow, delayed, you will not feel happy. And even the food is nice, finish, you ignore it. But even the food is not nice and the management is good, you will prefer to go to the good one with the normal food with the good management. To be honest, some people like that. It's before we are leaving, they provided us this. So honey, what's that?
It's a bird eggs.
Bird eggs?
Actually, it's a sonf. In Hindi, they call it sonf, but in Telugu, I don't know. In English also, I don't know. I think it's something like a mouth freshener in English.
It's more freshener.
And
So
these
I
are
can eat-
toothpicks, so you can, when
Of course I know that one.
after
So-
eating the food, you can fight.
So we can eat this. Let me see. Ooh. How much? How many pieces I will take?
You take it all. He brought it all for you.
We call it in Arabic bisbase.
Bisbee.
This is bisbase. It's
Thank
good
you, babe.
actually mostly for the tummy. We are out. Took our food. Thank you, brother. So guys, after finishing this destination, now wherever we have this. Okay, welcome. So guys, now after we finish this, so happy the people here, are so kind actually. Try to help all people, guys. I really always advise you. Whatever food remain from your restaurant you go, just take away. I want you to be like doing this. So whatever stays little, always take away and give it to someone. Okay, so just don't throw food because some people really need food always. If you make someone happy, they will feel happiness will come to you. We are going to the destination. The other destination, it's far from here, 1 hour. We have a friend. We have a friend who invited us to go to try another biryani for dinner. So now we don't have space actually, to be honest, but we don't have solution. We have to eat more. So to give you the real review about this. Going to the next destination. Guys, still on the way to another restaurant, and it's really taking like 1 hour to reach. It become dark already. And we are still on our way to eat again biryani. See, it's dark. Oh my god, guys, we just get down here. This is chaos here. It's night. Now we are all day eating biryani and now we just arrived to a new place. So it looks a nice place as well. Let's see. Today it's too windy here in Hyderabad. So we came too far. Hopefully it's really worth it. And hopefully your friend or your student, it's his student. So hopefully your student, he really said the good one. It's the best in Hyderabad as well. Suggested by my husband's students. Let's see. So now we are going to the third floor by stairs. The elevator is not working. There are many people with us. This is their kitchen, but for sure we are not allowed to record. So I wanted just to show you from outside. Finally we arrived. The entrance looks classy. Looks clean, nice actually. You can see the other side. We are 5 people. Here the place is really so classy and so traditional as well. So there is a sofa and it's really so comfortable. And as well you can see the view from the window. You can see the road. So nice. Hello, Asif and his fiance. Hello. They're shy and look at the vibes. So we are group now. So Asif, what you said was the best biryani here?
Fish biryani.
Biryani is not fish.
Shrimp biryani.
Biryani it was good.
Mutton biryani? Okay. You will eat mutton now, finally?
जी भैया आपका बेस्ट बिरयानी क्या है?
Jafrani mutton dum biryani.
जाफरानी
Mutton biryani. Okay. Me and
एक प्लेट जाफरानी मटन बिरयानी लेके आइए
5 members na?
5 people yeah this jumbo is better
okay.
okay we'll take the jumbo then it's like that
Preparation, how they bring. So traditional way. So professional actually. This is so professional. Now we upgraded.
ఇదండి మాన్స్టర్ బిర్యానీ అంటారు అనమాట ఇటువంటి బిర్యానీ
Look at this.
ఓన్లీ మాలాంటి మాన్స్టర్ తింటారు అంతే చిలికన్ కూడా తింటారు బాగా
Look at this. This is there is the sauce inside. It's colorful actually, this one, and this one there is more sauce actually compared with the other two we ate. This is more like sauce. The other two we ate, there is not this much sauce. Like there is a red, there is yellow and white, different. Because this is za'afaran, he said. This is meat, this is smell different. Okay, look at this with the view. So now is the moment of the truth. We will be trying the biryani, mutton biryani. So here in Hyderabad, they like the mutton biryani, which is famous here. It looks really so nice and it smells so good. I have to make second bite so to realize the taste. But it's not that spicy. That's the good part. Bismillah. Here the taste of saffron, you can taste it, and the meat taste as well. It's really amazing. So I really love this restaurant so much. Same like Shadab. It feels like just cooked now. So when you eat, you feel it's like really fresh and so like the flavor is there. So good one. Guys, in this place we are really satisfied with the way to sit because it's really comfortable. How you sit in sofa, you are eating. It's like a so nice presentation, like compared with the other, because mostly the others are local food. This is like a more classy, and it's really delicious. So when you eat, it's really delicious, and you feel like it's not oily and it's not dry. So they have the two things, like so it's nice. So how do you find this place?
How did you find this place? How did you find this place?
Actually, I am staying in these surroundings only.
One day
One day I am walking roving on the road. I suddenly find this
Is
Nawab's
restaurant?
restaurant, and while coming, it was very good.
It's right. So you didn't got recommendation from anyone, by yourself you found this.
Yes.
Wow. So
Finish
thank
now,
you,
you will be no
Asif Khan. Thank you all the family Khan as well. so we are all Khan here today.
Everyone is fine.
Finish the food. Alhamdulillah.
Karima.
Nadia Khan. Nice.
Navya.
Say bye everyone. Bye.